Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. Dear students, our today's topic is definition with figures. This is lesson number 22 and HW number 21. Okay, dear the students, now let us start our today's class. Today we will write the definition of, we will write and draw the figure of three region. First, quadrilateral bounded region. First one is quadrilateral, second one is rectangle, third one is square, and another one is rhombus. Okay, at first we will write the definition of quadrilateral, then we will draw the figure of quadrilateral. A figure which is bounded by four sides is called quadrilateral. A figure bounded by four sides. A figure bounded by four sides is called quadrilateral. Dear the students, we have written the definition of quadrilateral. Now we will draw the figure of a quadrilateral. Okay, dear the students, this is a figure and it has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. These four sides, so that we can say that it is a quadrilateral, and its name is A, B, C, D. In the above figure, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Okay, dear the students, we have written the definition and have drawn the figure of quadrilateral. Now we'll write the definition of rectangle and we'll draw the figure of it also. Two number rectangle. A quadrilateral which opposite sides, a quadrilateral which opposite sides are equal and all angles are right angles. Is called rectangle. Dear students, rectangle is a quadrilateral, but these quadrilaterals opposite sides will be equal and all angles will be right angle, that means 90 degree. Dear students, this is a quadrilateral and its opposite sides are equal. This side AD and BC, these two sides are equal, and AB and CD, these opposite two sides also are equal, and its all angle B angle, C angle, D angle and A angle, all angles are right angles, so that we can say that this is the figure of a rectangle. In the above figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Okay, dear students, we have done. Now we will write the definition of square and we will draw the figure of it also. At first we will write the definition. A quadrilateral which all sides are equal and all angles are right angle is called a square. All sides which all sides are equal and all angles are right angle. All sides are equal and all angles are right angle is called square. Dear the students, now we will draw the figure of a square. It's a quadrilateral and its all side will be, length of all sides will be same. Dear the students, this is the figure of rectangle. It's this side, this side, this side and this side. All sides are equal. And all angles are right angle also. This is right angle, right angle, right angle and right angle. In the above figure, ABCD is a square. Okay, dear the students, now we'll write the definition of rhombus, then we'll draw the figure of it. A quadrilateral which all sides Quadrilateral which all sides are equal is called rhombus. Dear the student, its all sides are equal, so that we can say that this is the figure of a rhombus. In the above figure, A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Okay, dear the students, we have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's class. You have to practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Dear students, our today's SW number 21 number SW, and topic is definition with figures, quadrilateral and rectangle. Okay, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.